Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's August 17th when I'm recording this, and welcome to ProfitPilot.com. This is the website that I have where I do the twice a week newsletters. You guys are either seeing it here or on YouTube or any of the other social media platforms that we put this on. And I gotta admit, this last one might be a bounce this week. Boy, that didn't age well, did it? So let's go talk about that a little bit. Before there, I'm actually over at my wife's family's cabin in the South Puget Sound, and this is the sunrise that we had this morning. You guys can't hear the birds in the background, but they're just kind of waking up and chirping, and boy, doesn't this just look amazing. So thought I would share this. I was not expecting such a gorgeous sunrise, but woke up at the normal time, 5:45, to be ready for the market, and this is what we got. So thought I would share it with you all. All right, as far as the market goes, we are just not getting anything. This thing just keeps dropping. And the interesting thing is if we look at even Apple here, you know, Apple came down to its weekly 21 EMA, and then it looked like it was kind of holding for a while. You could see that price was kind of getting in here right in through this area. It looked like it might kind of hold up, and I figured that, hey, at some point market's going to bounce. And we thought kind of right around here, but nope, just never happened. And you know what? Here was the confirmation that it was not going to happen, and it was actually going to go down. Look here how price just completely ran right into the underside of the hourly 50, and right here also price ran right into the underside of the 15-minute 50. Just no signals to the upside whatsoever. And even, remember, if you guys saw that last video that I put out, even if the market bounced, I said it's just a bounce. And the reason for that would be because even if price got up over the hourly 50, look how far away the Moxie indicator is from zero, from even crossing over zero. So even if it went up, it would be what I call an inverse trampoline move. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below zero. And so we would have known that that was just a bounce and that it was likely to roll over and go back down again. And basically the SPY doing the same thing, just heavy, lots of heaviness in through here. We're trying to look for something constructive, something to say, hey, are we going to bounce anytime soon? And just nothing. We got a little bit of overnight action from the FOMC minutes. Like we had the FOMC minutes yesterday, and then we had a little bit of an overnight bounce, but that clearly got sold into. And again, how far do we go down before this thing finally bounces and reverses? We're still not sure, but we are hitting that lower third ATR on the daily chart, and the IWM is also starting to kind of come into some support. It is well outside of its third ATR on the daily chart, and if we look at the weekly and the monthly here, you can kind of see this. Let's get that zoomed in. You can see we are back down to the monthly 10, the monthly 50, and on the weekly chart, I mean, we're hitting all sorts of moving averages. So it's kind of the question of, well, which one's going to be the support? So yeah, we just got to kind of sit tight, ride this out. We can look at the internals. Things are going down, but the order flow isn't too bad. It's only like -1.5 to 1, so that's not terrible. And if we look at the put call ratio, it is starting to climb up towards 1. It's not as high as it has been in the past, but it's making progress. So really, we just kind of sit on our hands if you guys are bullish, or if you're long only as far as your trades and investments, and we just gotta kind of ride this out and wait for better days. So until then, keep kind of going through your watch list, maybe go back, use OnDemand, and just practice. And then if you can, get out there and enjoy some time out into nature, and take some time away from the stock market. Basically, if you don't trade short and this thing's rolling over, this is when you just take some time off and go enjoy the fact that we have this luxury with the stock market. All right, guys, thanks again, and we will see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.